you doing?
What?
What you doing?
Because I'm one person, I can't do anything.
Don't.
See how this thing flies?
Throw it.
It doesn't work.
Dilly. Dilly.
Do that again?
Dilly.
Do that again?
Do what again?
Make her laugh.
Oh.
Do it again.
Okay.
Biting all the dead skin off.
What? What's he doing?
Hey Mom, what did they say after they tried to take our bird?
They didn't say anything. I didn't hear him say anything. And it's not our bird. Willie. Can you say Willie? It says they learn language really fast. Like better than any other parrots or cockatiels. Say Willie.
What kind is it?
It's a Quaker parrot. What's up? What's up?
Catch it!
What's he doing?
She's fluffing her feathers.
It's like, what's that green thing? What? Hello? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Silly. Silly, silly. Pretty. Why are you trying to bite Willie? Oh, see, I got a companion.